Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm not happy. Check out this. It looks like they just put something on either end and just... Darren and I were in Florida when these came. They came to our post office, and of course, when I said something, the guy said, "Oh, it didn't happen here. It came in like that." Yeah, I'm sure every post office along the way will say the same. I spend a lot of money for these Blythes. They're not expensive per se per each, but if you watch my channel, I buy a lot of these. And I have one coming that was not inexpensive. Let's just say that. More than twice as much as the others. Okay. Oh my God. All right. These are for the BlytheCon coming in less than 4 months or less than 3 months? Let's see, July. So it'll be September, October, November. It'll be 3 months as soon as that calendar says August 7th or August 5th. It'll be 3 months till BlytheCon. I can't believe how fast it's gotten here. Oh, and there you go, broken legs. And let me tell you something about these broken legs. Once they break, they never go right again. Yeah, you can snap them back in, but with the weight of the head, oh, this just makes me so mad. With the weight of the head, it will bow these legs and they will bust again. Usually it goes like this in a stand, no matter what stand you use. Okay, so that one's broke. Yep, this one is too. This one's got a broken foot. Oh, and I have not been having a good luck contacting and trying to get things taken care of from AliExpress on any of the sellers. I say it's like a gamble. You put your money in and you hope you get something out. It's like one-armed bandit anymore. Oh, this just makes me so mad. Aren't these beautiful dolls, though? They really are beautiful dolls, but there it is, all broke. I mean, it's not the seller's fault, but...
Well, maybe.
By the same token, it's not my fault, and I should not... Uh-oh. Yeah, they're changing. Let's check the other girl's eyes. Oh, I cannot give these for gifts at the BlytheCon. My plan is to give my active subscribers a Blythe doll that I have customized with a stand and clothes and all of that. Yeah, but I don't want to give them a broken one, that's for sure. So that is just maddening. Look at that foot, it's just twisted. I'm not so sure it's not cracked right there.
Focus.
All right. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.